Hi everybody! Today I'm going to try something a little different. I'm going to try an unboxing video! I can't spin all the way around! Just before we start, I just want to say I am not sponsored by FabFit. This is actually my second box I got. I started getting this box on a recommendation from one of my friends here in Coney Island. And I really loved my first box, and I just wanted to share with you guys, and this is my unfiltered opinion of everything in the box. First of all, here's the box. Here's the box. It came in a box, so my box came in a box, and actually, they have little like add-on sales once in a while, so I did get two things in the add-on sale because I needed them. I'll show those to you guys first. So, on the add-in sale, I got some probiotic eye cream repair because I'm getting old. And here it is. I'm so excited because I need some new eye cream. Let's see. Ooh, it's fancy. Oh, there's some stuff on there. Let's see how it goes. I turned it on the box. It smells nice. You know, it smells like the old lady stuff you get. Ooh, actually no. It smells like it has a citrusy smell. It feels nice. Yes. And then I also got this, which is a neck. Don't worry, I brought a knife. Which is a herbal thing for your neck. Oh, a lavender neck and shoulder wrap. Those of you who know me really well know that I have joint and muscle issues. And I just thought this, I've been wanting one of these for a while. Ooh, look at this. It has a nice satiny bag. Ooh. Nice. I'm excited. You can heat it up in your microwave and things. Let's open the box. I'm gonna turn it so you guys can look into it first. I hope you can see it. Oh look, it's paper! You always get this in the FabFit magazine. It is the FabFit magazine, but it's in the box. You always get this in the box. Kind of goes through like little health articles. Ooh, this one has a pumpkin spice recipe. Oh, and then they always kind of send some of these little ads. I've never really used them before, but they're in there. All right, time to get into what I got in the box. Okay. So I got a pumpkin spice room spray. That's exciting. Let's see how it smells. Oh, that smells good. I have to be careful sometimes. Sometimes smells give me headaches. I really don't smell anything. I'm like trying not to get my beard. It's nice. I like it. Yeah, it's a Daniel Stone's Pumpkin Spice Room Spray. Directions: use liberally. Spray as much as desired to enhance your environment and ambiance. Obviously, I did not spray enough to begin with. Okay, so that's one thing. Ooh, what's this? Stress reliever, 100% natural hair oil. I always need help with my hair. I know girls don't like to, ooh, now I can really smell it even better. I like it. I love pumpkin spice. A lot of girls don't talk about this, but girls can start to lose their hair too. I'm someone whose hair is thinning, so I have to do a whole bunch of things, so this is actually really good for me to have. Use your fingers to apply oil into the scalp of hair, massage lightly, shampoo it and rinse after 1 hour or later. Oh, okay. So you're supposed to use it like pre-shower. Ooh, I got a water bottle. I know, some people who are sponsored by FabFit have already gotten their boxes, and I've watched some of those videos to prepare for this video, because I had never seen an unboxing video before. And I saw this and I was like, oh, another water bottle. Because you know, as singers, we love our water bottles. And this one's like a mason one, so it has like a koozie. And then look at that, it has like the mason jar thing so you can keep track, and it's glass. Ooh, that'll be nice whenever we're back in person and I have to be in rehearsals. Oh no, the lid's like, does the lid go on straight? Oh, it does. Good. Awesome. I love water bottles, as most singers do. Actually, I'm kind of glad it comes with the koozie because I know as a singer, I put my water bottle right next to my music most of the time in my bag. And sometimes the water bottle condensates onto my music and makes it all gross. So I'm excited to see, like, in the future after COVID, how that will go in practice. Now, as part of the FabFit, you get to choose customized things. I do seasonal things, so I get 4 boxes, one for each season, and I get to pick 3 customizations. So one I did pick, which I'm really excited about, is the multivitamin face masks. I'm really excited about that because I love using face masks ever since my sister went to Korea and introduced me to them. Like, I'm obsessed. And I was starting to run low on mine, so I really needed some of these. So that was one of the customizations I know I chose. Ooh! This is a body sponge. They gave me one in my last box and it was actually starting to look really grimy. So I'm really excited. It's like you already have the soap in it, so you just put it under and then you can, you know, scrub a dub-dub. So I'm excited they gave me another one. Let's see what it smells like. That's nice. Reminds me of Bath and Body Works. It's got that like smell, but I don't know which Bath and Body Works one it is. It's like kind of, I know it says sweet cedarwood, but it smells a little bit like the cherry blossom they have at Bed Bath & Beyond. I don't know why cherry blossoms doesn't seem like it would have anything to do with that. Now this is Glow Milk, nourished with coconut and argan oil. I'm not sure what that is for. It says shake up well. So just like milk, you have to shake it. Oh, it's vegan. Glow Milk is liquid radiance in a bottle. Create a long-lasting lift from within look with our champagne-colored liquid highlighter. Oh, it's a liquid highlighter. Enhances with coconut. Glow Milk hydrates while illuminating the skin. Achieve healthy, luminous glow by brushing 3 dots of your illuminating Glow Milk on the high points of your face, collarbone. Blend with your fingertips for natural radiance. Repeat for more dramatic effects. Oh, great. I've been needing a highlighter. I've just been using white eyeshadow as my highlighter. So this will be fun. Oh yeah, that's what it looks like. So that'll be like something fun to try out. Oh, it's very sparkly. I like sparkle, obviously, if you look at my eyes. All my stuff is glittery. All right, and then, oh, this was one of my customations too. Customations? Which is celery green cream for your face because I was running out of face cream. I was running out of eye cream and face cream. I was really glad this was a customization this time because I really needed some. It does kind of smell like a salad. Ooh, it feels nice. I like it. I like it. It's not too strong. Like I said, too strong scents normally give me a headache. This, for instance, is almost a little too strong. But since I know I'm going to be showering and washing it off, like, normally I'm okay with that. Ooh, and then my last customization was this, because with my back, I've noticed I do better with backpacks than I do with off-the-shoulder bags. And I thought this would be cute. Oh, it's really small, though. Oh, I was hoping from the picture it looked like it would be able to fit my scores in it. It might be able to fit an iPad in it. That's something I'm meaning to do, is like kind of get to the iPad thing. It's like that vinyl-y material with a little bit of leather. I assume it's fake leather though. It's got a little inside pocket. It's nice. Oh, it's got a smelly thing in there. And then it's got 2 little pockets here. And that would be good whenever, like, I ride the subway again, I could put my subway card in there. But, like, it's not as big as I wanted it to be. I was hoping it would actually be, like, more backpack size, because I wanted, like, a fancy adult backpack. Not that I don't love my unicorn backpack, but I wanted a fancy adult backpack. And then it says, like, I don't know if you can see, it says, like, New York on it. I wonder, will this fit in it? does. That fits in really nicely, actually. That's all I got in my bag. I love it. Oh, and if any of you are interested, here's the code. You can pause the video and you can order your first one. I really like this bag. I do like the bag. It's just not as big as I wanted. I do love everything in the box. I'm definitely gonna use it. I think there was only one thing in my last box I didn't use. It was some like activation gel you were supposed to put on before exercising. I tried it once. I basically just smelled like menthol. So let's see how much everything was in the bag. This here is New York Trigger backpack is $100. And see, here are the other things like I could have gotten. Like I could have customized, I think you could have customized any one of these things if I wanted, but I didn't. My green celery face cream is $55. I've gotten a few of their facial products and I've always loved them. And I feel my skin has been a lot more radiant since using a lot of it. My vitamin packed face masks are $40. And just so you know, the box itself is like $49. So we've already exceeded the price of the box. Like we're at what? We're about $190. So I've already gotten my money's worth within 3 items. Actually, I had my money's worth within the first item. And what I like about this is most of the time what's in this box, I normally wouldn't buy for myself. Or if I would buy, like obviously I buy face cream and stuff, but I'd always buy like the cheaper version. Well, the thing is too, like when you sign up for FabFit, you fill out like a little questionnaire. Like they ask you about like what you're working on with beauty, what you're working on physically, because it's kind of all wellness box. So it's like one of the things I told them is like, oh, my hair's thinning. So it makes sense they sent me more hair stuff and things like that because I asked for that. I asked mostly for more beauty stuff like anti-wrinkles and things. So then this water bottle, which I've hidden inside this purse. I really love this water bottle. I love water bottles. It's a Singer thing, I'm pretty sure. It's $35. I'm not too surprised by that because like I have one of those nice like blendy bottles you shake, and those normally around I think for like 25 some dollars, maybe more. The hair serum, this thing, which I'm definitely gonna try tonight, this is $75. The pumpkin spice room spray is $36. I don't really use room sprays. Me and Philip were big incense people. I also have a diffuser, but I mean, I'm definitely gonna use this. This seems perfect for the bathroom, for obvious reasons. So Glow Milk is worth $19.50, so $20 for Glow Milk. I'm missing this. Yeah, it's not showing up in a little magazine thing. I'm gonna guess it's $20. So let's add them up. My box was worth $345. I got $300 extra from what I paid originally. So like it's a great deal. And this box for sure, I'm gonna use everything in it. I'm a little disappointed I didn't get at least one thing of jewelry because I'm a diva and I love jewelry. I'm like checking the box. I'm like, are you sure there's no jewelry in here? Yeah, there's no jewelry in here. But I love it. If you guys end up liking this video, let me know in the comments and I'll make sure when I get my seasonal box for the winter, I'll do another unboxing for you.